Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reconcile your American Express card with QuickBooks Online for accurate financial records. So, by the way, you do have to make sure first that you are using the right plan of QuickBooks or the right version so that you will be able to actually access all the features that you need for this. So, again, you will have to make sure to listen carefully so that you will be able to do all the steps that I will be explaining. So first things first, you will of course sign into your account if you already have an account in QuickBooks, and after logging in, you will just have to go to your accounting section right here. So just go ahead and click that. And after you click that, you will see Reconcile. And then what you will do is you will select American Express account. Then you will enter your ending balance and statement ending date from your Amex statement. And after that, you will just have to compare the transaction and mark cleared if they match the statement. And then after that, you will just have to click finish now when balances match. And by the way, take note that your layout may be different from this. So you do have to make sure to really explore further so that you will be able to do the steps that I've just mentioned. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.